Hello guys, in this video I'll be explaining how to make use of Clubhouse. Clubhouse is a project management and project tracking site that helps you track the progress of each member of your team. So you have dashboard. Dashboard is where you see everything that pertains to you. You have Once you click this icon, you'll be able to see all the workspaces you are either logged into or you are using. So I'm logged into HNG Tech. So once I click, you have dashboard. As I said earlier before, dashboard is everything pertaining to you on that workspace. So as you can see, all the works I've done, the activity tags, the active tags that are presently active, and you can see you have no active tags, upcoming due dates, those that have a due date. You have activity feed also to know those things I've done at a certain time. You have stories. So stories are individual inputs on your workspace, and here we can see every work, the work of every person's in this workspace. You have epics. Epics are collections of stories whereby your stories will fall under. As you can see, there's a progress. So a way to know your progress, you just go back to epics and check the rate. So you can see now, once I hover on it, you see 11 stories completed, everything. You can see 4 stories completed, 80%. You can see 75% for 3 stories completed. So you can see projects also. Projects is the collection of your epics, of your stories. So let's go ahead and create a new project. So we'll name it front end team goal. If you want to add a description, you can. So let's add a description. Sorry. So it has been added to workflow engineering, and you can set the color to make it distinct. Assuming you already have another project with that same name, once you add a color, you help you know the difference. So let's choose blue. So once I click the button to save, then we'll go ahead to look for it. Team gold. So down to team gold front end. Sorry, I named it front end team gold. Front end team gold, and we use the blue color. Now we can see this front end team gold, a different color, and even also has an iPhone. So click on it. Then you can create this new story. As I said earlier before, that collections of stories are actually epics, and collection of epics are forms or gives us our projects. And once we create a new story, we'll create a new story now and name it landing page. We'll add a description. So as you can see now, it's under our project already. Assuming we want to change the project is going to enter into, we can change it, but we'll leave it in front end in code. You have your state, whether it is ready for development. You have in development, ready for review, ready for deploy. Assuming you have done the work already and you are ready yet to deploy it to your server, so you put it in ready for deploy. Maybe it has been reviewed already. So you have, maybe you have completed your work, we leave it as completed. So since we're just starting, we leave it as ready for development. And epic, I said epic are collections of stories. So once I click on it, let me team gold. Now you can see we already have some epics already created, but due to this video, I'll create a new epic as team gold double L. So create new epic, just click enter. The new epic will be created automatically. So You have type, you have future, you have bug, you have future. Maybe you are fixing up something in an already created project. You can name it. You can leave it as bug. You have future. Also, maybe something was assigned to you, but we leave it as future, and you fix up the date. So this is like a deadline to give it the deadline of when this task should be done. So you go ahead and create story. So once a story has been created, now you see story 4,000, 4,000 and 4,950. Sorry, 4,952. Then you can see owners. Nobody has been set to an owner point, so you can go ahead once you are reviewing it. Just go ahead and add external link. Just add an external link. It has saved automatically. So let's create another story. I want to show us something. So um, menu page. We'll add the description for now. So epic, we'll put under another epic instead of the first one we created. Let's do it as the good design. So this place now you can see 0 points, 1 point, 2 points, 4 points, 8 points. So we'll give it 4 points. Now you can see that it's still under our project, but under a different epic. Now one is under team gold, one is under team gold. So you can set the type to future. Now both are actually future. Let me change this one to Vogue, and you can see it has saved automatically. And once I open it, you can see it has changed. Vogue. You can set the owner, but I won't be doing that. You can just let me show you how you do it. Once you click on owner, and just change it from nobody to either yourself or someone else. So that is how you create a project, and that's all you might need for now, knowing for now about projects. So once your project has been created, just go ahead to check the project progress of your project. So let's go ahead and check. Okay, let me open Epics now to show us the one we already created. Team code. Just search up your Epic. So now to check all Team Geo, let's do this. Now you can see anything. You'll be able to see Team Good. Now you can see Team Good. You can see 0% completed, 50% in progress. So it helps you know the progress and the rate at which each member of your team is working. You can see 100% completed. You can now see the one we just created, 0% completed. So to make this 100% completed, let's just go back to it and open it. Then story in Epic, click on the story itself and then change it to completed. Once we do that, we'll go back to the Epics page and you can now see 100% completed. So you'll be able to know the rate at which someone is working. Maybe the person is slow about a task or whatever. You'll be able to track their progress about it, and you have a status. It's loading.